Hello everyone, welcome to Panda's course. So today's session will be learning towards the concept of statistics in how we are using statistics or descriptive statistic method in our Pandas. So let's start on that. So we're already in a Jupyter notebook. So we have to import first the two things that Pandas and NumPy because we are using some list or dictionary if you want it. So we'll go with importing part, import numpy as np, as well as we need a pandas, import pandas as pd. So we import it. So let's move to creation of your things, like what we wanted for the data frame. So I just go with the variable where I just want to print it. I'm just normal way I'm just creating the things. So if you want to create in a different way, you can create it. That's your wish. You can use this list dictionary tuples directly. I'm just creating the normal things. So I just go with the name first because I'm just creating the student marks. So name, so name, just going with the name. Suppose I'm giving the student name Suparna, and then I'm just giving the student name Aman, and then I'm just giving the student name of Ritu. So just normal, just I'm just creating 5 students name here. Ritu, then comes to doll, and one more I'm taking, that is SHU. Sure. So this is my 5 student name, and then I'm just going with the marks because I want the marks of the students. So total marks, I just taken it some marks, so I just go with marks. So first one 90, then 89, 95, 78, and then 88. So this is some marks. I'm taken this, and now when we done with the marks, I just wanted like whatever they are using, that what we use a phone number. Some just going with some phone number here, going with the phone numbers of the students as well. So I'm just giving the values of the phone number because it will be mostly it's a 10 number. So I'm giving random 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then comma 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 done, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 3 done, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 4 done, last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I already given that all the 5 values, whatever the 5 values I'm taking it, for that I'm just giving all this thing. So I just run this, it's run properly. You can observe that already done. Now we are creating the data frames for that because we are using the 3 things. So for that I use a data variable name. You can use anything. So pd dot data frame, d will be the capital. Do the practice for that. F will be capital. Data frame, and pass the variable like what I created just now, and then we just want to print it. Just want to see that. So what is the how it's created. So data, you can observe that name, marks, and phone number is created my properly. So this is the first step. You have to do that whenever you use it. Now we'll start with the statistic methods where we want to do whatever the things we wanted, where you want to do that some summations. So now the first thing I'm just going with the print, where I'm just going with the datas, whatever the datas are there, dot sum, and this is methods. So method, now I'm doing that the sum of all this thing. You can observe that whenever we use this sum, it gives you this one, but because it will be character or object, then it will be do the concatenation. Shupanna Aman Ritu Dolshop. When you marks come, it added all the marks, then come phone number, it's give you the addition of, because this is also an integer, right? So whenever they use this integer, they will give you the same way the integer thing. So we have lots of methods to that. So let's see one by one the methods. So I'm just going with one more method, that is your count. So print, then data dot counts, count method. When you run this, it will be giving you the counts, how many names, marks, and phone number, t type of integer 64. We have maximum, minimum things also as well. So go with those method as well. Print, then go with data dot max. This is all your statistic methods we have inbuilt. So that's the reason when you have things in built, how we have to go with that. So this is my maximum when you use it. Now the same way, just go with the minimum method. So data dot min. See, whatever we created from there only, it's give the maximum minimum. So minimum is my Aman 78. When you giving that, so whatever the maximum values, minimum values, they will get. So from here, this will be the from name it will be taking, then the marks, the thing. So now we'll see the another method, that is your PROD method, that is nothing but product of value. So let's see that. So we'll go with print and then moving towards the data dot PROD methods. This is called your product of values. You can, so now when you use this product method, it gets marks and phone number for the product, because as we know that name we cannot get the product of the values. So by default, it will be for the integer of the product of the values. Let's see the mean and median method as well. So go with print and then the data and then dot mean, MEAN, mean of the values. So when you run it, you will get for the marks and phone number, whatever the mean we get. The same way, we are just going with the median to data, your print, then your data dot median, MEDIAN, median methods. When you run this, it is giving for the marks and the phone number, as we know that. Let's see if you use the mode method. So what will happen? What type of mode values are there? So print and then going with your data dot mode methods. So it will be the, yeah, brackets and then data dot mode. When you run this, it shows that whatever the things are there, we have name, marks and phone number. This is just mode of value. So this is all the functionality, statistics functionality of your pandas on in the, you can use series or data frame. The same way you can go with the series as well. So that's your wish. I'm just showing you in a data frame with that. Here you can use to create a series as well, to see that the sum, count, maximum, minimum, product, mean, median, modes, all this statistic method in pandas. So this is how we are using the functionality of data frame in a pandas. For the next session, we'll be moving towards the concept of your functional application, where we're learning that how we have to use pandas in the application suite. What are the applications we used in pandas in the next session. Thank you.